Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 7, chapter vectors, and it is exercise 1, question number 5. We are in question number 5. We are dealing with the questions on the chapter vectors. We have seen by now that this chapter has question mixed from both vectors and application of vectors, which is the 3D geometry. Not a lot of concepts are there, but at least the equation of line is there. So now, but this one is a very basic vector ka question. Here, ABCD is given to be a parallelogram and position vectors of A, B, C are given to us. And we have to find the position vector of the fourth point and then the angles we have to find out. Okay. So angle we know by now, but parallelogram, this concept of parallelogram we have been dealing from very long. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. We have to always remember that the most defining property of parallelogram, though it is just a set of parallels, is also that the diagonals, they will bisect each other. So here, position vector of A, B, C are given. We have to find D. Now the process I'll tell you, I'll not go into calculation. So it is simply this A is given to us, this C is given to us, find this O. How do we find? Midpoint, the two vectors divided by 2. Position vector of A, position vector of C. So midpoint for O, if this is a vector, then A plus C divided by 2. This will be the position vector of O, if I call this O. Not the origin, let's call it O. And this also is a midpoint of BD. So we have B here, O here. So D is D plus B divided by 2 is equal to O vector, which we find from the their equation. So this plus this divided by 2 is equal to this plus this divided by 2. So just use this concept and we can find the position vector of D. Now the second one is you have to find angle ABC. Angle ABC, again, we have already been doing this. Cos theta is equal to AB dot ABC. So essentially this angle. So AVB dot BC, two vectors ka dot you take, and then AB and BC ka mod of these two vectors. That will give you the angle between the lines. Yes, this is a simple concept we have been doing for far too long now, but important concept here that the diagonals must bisect each other. Thank you.